Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this VOLADOR portable metal detector with IP68 fully waterproof. IP68, that's 30 minutes at about, I think it's 1 meter, 3 feet, something like that. It's a smaller device. With this old metal detectors, these are huge devices. It's difficult to carry them with you if you go to the beach. A lot of people do that, but there's no space for other things. If you're going with your family to the beach, you do not only want to take your metal detector with you, you take a lot of stuff with you, and so that's a good thing that you get finally a metal detector which is small and can also be used by children. So yeah, this is it. It's only about $50 at the moment. Could be a really nice gift for you, your spouse, your children, family, whatsoever. Big surprise, maybe, of course. Yeah, Christmas. Not everywhere. Yeah, swimming conditions. I was actually hoping that I will be able to test that in real life here in Florida in November. 2 weeks ago we still had 80 degrees in the water and yeah, 85 in the air and such things, and these days are gone. Unfortunately, we got these really huge strong cold fronts and the thing is over. So I'm just able to show you that at the moment out of the water, but I guess it's really waterproof. Yeah, I just want to show you if it's capable to find some metal things or not. So what do we get in the packaging? We get a thank you and the QR code which brings us to the website. So obviously they have the website, probably with support and additional information. That's really good. Also here we get some contact information, and we have some information in US, in English, in German and French, with respective email and phone number. And here we get some additional information. It's called the HS10, obviously. Says first innovative handheld pinpointer with screen, 3 meters, 100% waterproof, wide range detect. 3 meters, that's definitely more than only IP68. That's really good. 3 meters, about 10 feet. That's definitely more, as you're usually going down just with a mask and a snorkel. Yeah, so it should be actually safe to use at the beach, just having a little bit of fun. Key features again: 3 meters waterproof, screen shows signal intensity and battery level, 3 modes to change, yeah, meet your daily use, 7 centimeters detecting, wide detecting range for coins, small metals, speed target finds, yeah, and so on. 100% waterproof. You can see that. I'm not going to read everything. If you want to read that now, you have to go to the highest resolution and pause it for a while. Here you have the whole thing. And last side, operation manuals, maybe interesting for you. Hope you can see everything. It's a little bit mirroring. It has the LED flashlight out of, and specifications. Yeah, can we see that? Packaging. Okay, that's it. So let's see how this really works. First, we have to open the lid in the back. So it's heavy thing, so I have no doubt that it is waterproof. And we have to insert a 9-volt battery. I have to find out which side it starts. Yeah, here we can see there's a bigger opening on the right side and a smaller opening on the left side. So I think it goes like this. The 9-volt battery unfortunately doesn't come with the packaging, so if you are buying this as a gift for Christmas or whatsoever, make sure that you have a 9-volt battery on the side, so otherwise you will see some disappointed faces, because of course everybody wants to try it out and see how this works. Okay, so here we are. I have put this Velcro strap around it and it's pretty secure. That's a good thing. And we have this cord which you can put around your hand, so it's really super secure. It's a good thing. So especially if you want to give it to children, so you can secure it. You can also take this with you. It comes with a belt opening, so it can, or you can even do it like this. And then if you have a belt, you can put it around, and if you don't need it at the moment, you can secure it in this pocket. So really convenient, absolutely what you want. So let's see how this really works. To turn it on, we press just single one and it makes a couple of beeps and vibrations. So now it's ready. We also see this light here. There's only one button which changes everything. So 2 times a short press will turn off the light. 2 times again turns on the light. 2 times. So it's easy to turn it on, turn it off, according how you need that. And we also have a triple push, and that means we are changing the setting. So we are now at the default setting. When we go close to any piece of metal, so you can see it's definitely working. Also from both sides, from every side, from the tip, from everywhere. Works really good. So that was the beeping mode. When we press 3 times short time in a row, then it changes the setting. That was 3 times. It's confirmed by vibration, and you can see the change. Now we have the vibration mode. No sound, but vibration, and we also can check the distance on the LCD display. Then another three times press, and we have now the combination. So that means we have vibration plus the beeping. And another 3 times pressing, and then we have only the beeping, no vibration. So you can see it goes really far away. That's really nice. So it should be easy to detect. Also smaller things. So let's test it with only this small coin. I think it's what's that? Yeah, you probably know it better than me. I'm not using this very often. So, but as you can see, it's easily, even from some distance. That's really nice. And underwater, definitely a plus if you have the vibration, because it will be difficult probably to hear the beeping. But the vibration is very strong. You shouldn't miss that. Really nice thing. And to turn it off, you have to long press. Okay, done. So absolutely awesome, nice, really modern design, and really finally a small metal detector which you can take with you to the beach or wherever you are planning to go, to mountains, looking for gold or whatsoever. Really nice thing. At the moment it's priced, I think, at $50 on Amazon, and there is a 10% coupon right away on Amazon at the moment. Just make sure that you're really using it when you order it. And anyway, I will put down the link to this item on Amazon, to this listing down below into the description, and you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. I mean, I definitely like the thing. Next time we go to the beach, I will take this thing with me. And yeah, I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.